Hey guys, welcome back to Bakewithbanusamee. Today we are going to make eggless marble cake without oven. This cake is so easy to make and tastes delicious. This one is one batter and two flavors. Let's get started. Here I am using a 6-inch pan. Grease and flour a pan. Do check out my channel how to grease and flour a pan. Grease and flour a pan and keep it aside. Pan is ready. Take a bowl, add 125 gram of room temperature curd. To this add 75 grams of powdered sugar and whisk this for about 1 to 2 minutes until the sugar is completely melted. If you have hand blender, use that. Here I am just using a whisk. Whisk this for about 1 to 2 minutes. See, my sugar is completely melted. To this add 25 grams of oil, any vegetable oil, refined oil, canola oil, or else you could use unsalted melted butter too, and whisk this for about 1 minute. To this add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and just whisk for a second. Our wet ingredients are ready now. Take a sieve. To this add 75 grams of maida and 10 grams of corn flour. If you don't have corn flour, use maida. To this add half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and sift everything together and gently whisk it until the dry ingredients are completely combined. To this add 40 grams of room temperature milk and whisk for about 1 minute. This cake is so easy to make. You don't need any butter or any other fancy items to make this cake. Take another bowl. To this add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Here I am using Hershey cocoa powder. Now take our batter and pour half of the batter into the cocoa powder and gently mix it. Just mix well until the cocoa is well incorporated. We do not want any lumps in our cocoa. Please do sieve your cocoa before using, because cocoa has lumps in it. So if you are using cocoa, always do sieve it. Our cocoa mixture is ready now. Look at this. See? Now add the vanilla batter into our pan. Take a spoonful of vanilla batter and slowly pour into your pan. Then add spoonful of our cocoa mixture like this. By alternating spoonful of vanilla batter and chocolate batter. Do the same procedure. Do not add all our batter at once. Just add alternatively 1 spoon of vanilla batter and 1 spoon of chocolate batter. Look at this, we are already getting the marbleize effect. This is my last spoon of batter. Now take a toothpick. Gently draw a swirls through the batter to make marbleize effect. Look at this. Just take a toothpick and draw a swirl like this. Do not over mix it. Just gently draw a swirl. Our cake batter is ready. Just tap the batter for once. Now preheat your kadai. I already preheated the kadai for 5 minutes at high flame. Do check out my no oven chocolate video for how to preheat the kadai. Here I didn't add any salt at all, salt or sand. Just place the kadai and rack and keep the cake pan and cover the lid. Let it bake for about 30 minutes at low flame. Let's check it out. Insert a toothpick. It should comes out clean. See? Let it cool completely in kadai for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, slowly remove from the pan. Look at this. Our cake is ready. My cake is cooled down completely. Now let's cut a slice. This cake is so moist and so soft. You do not need more ingredients to make this cake. If you don't have Eshe cocoa powder, you could use any other cocoa powder too. Look at this. This cake is so moist and so delicious. If you like chocolate and vanilla both, this is the perfect cake recipe for you. If you want to bake a cake in oven, just go ahead and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. Look at this. Do try it out and let me know how it has turned out for you, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.